Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete footer on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I am on the Wix website editor. Now what we can do is we just need to scroll down from our website in order to locate the footer. So the footer is always on the bottom of your website. So once you scroll down, you will be able to see in here your footer. So just click on this right here. Make sure that you click on the entire footer and not on the text only. So once you have clicked on your footer, you can actually head over and click on the delete button on your keyboard. So delete that. And then as you can see, you can just head over and just hide the page layout. So open the layout settings. And then once you have opened the layout settings, just click on this no header and footer. So as you can see, once you have done that, we should be able to see that our footer has disappeared right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete footer on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!